Good morning, Milorad here. After a couple of cold and rainy days, I'm finally ready to go out to do some photo shoot. And of course, I'm going first to my favorite park, Springfield Park in Rolette, Texas, and see what's going on there. I hope I can find some birds there. Maybe those fields around the ponds are full of water, and maybe birds will come to feast on the crabs or crawdads, and that's what I'm looking for. And here you can see I am at the point where I usually go into the park, and I'm keeping this camera very, very close to my face because it's pretty windy, and I need audio to be acceptable. I have my R6 Mark II camera with 100 to 500 millimeter lens plus 2x extender. Let's see what we can find today to photograph. Walking this Springfield Park in Rolette, Texas, and weather is nice, very sunny and bright. The only problem is it's very, very windy. I'm not sure you can hear wind. Yeah, there's lots of birds. Well, at the end, I came to this field to see if I can come from other side of those pipers, and now I'm kind of stuck because all around me is underwater, and looks like I'm going to wet my feet today again. There is, I'm sure you can see, this is the water on the field. Well, I see those mallards, and they were together with pipers, and I don't see pipers anymore. Looks like I wet my feet up. There's some. Yeah, there's a couple of them. Yeah. Wind is so gusty, I need to scream, and hopefully you will hear me. Never saw that many in one place. Okay, there's some mallards chasing female, two of them. Okay, looks like lots of them are after that beauty. many drakes, only one female. A little bit too far, but they are there. I need to come closer for decent pictures. That I need to go through this concrete path, but it's underwater and looks like it's pretty deep there in the middle. Let's see. Now I am probably a foot in the water. Good thing is this concrete is visible through the water, otherwise I'm not sure I ended up in the deep pond. Okay, almost there. Okay, good. I'm out of that water. Wet feet and all. That's it for today. Please stay for the gallery of today's photo shoot. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And Milorad out. I was walking to my car, I see there's a black vulture right there, very close to my car. This is my car, and there's another one, and they are here because there's some roadkill right there, probably squirrel, and that's why they're after. But this street is kind of too busy for them to stay there, and